friends, and welcome to the February 2026 Hoop Studio unboxing. I'm so excited you're here. I'm Jen from Me Time, and guess what? I have something really exciting to tell you. We are celebrating this month 2 years of Hoop Studio. Can you believe it's been 2 years of these fantastic, amazing projects in Hoop Studio? I hope you've enjoyed all the projects. Our very first project was a bag called the Ellie Canvas bag. And so in celebration of 2 years of Hoop Studio, we have another bag for you, a beautiful, stylish bag that's called the Vicky's Essential Bag. And here it is. Look at this. When we made the Ellie Canvas bag, one of the things that you guys said is you wanted extra pockets. So that is what we've done in this bag. And as you can see, it also has this flap to kind of hold everything together. But you have a pocket here in front, this diagonal little pocket, and a fully lined, you can see, bag inside with that pocket. We have this beautiful zipper here with, look at that fun little zipper pull. It's kind of round and shiny. And this beautiful button that holds everything together. So one of the great things with this project as well is that you get this bag in 2 different sizes. So you can make this bag in the 8x12 hoop, or if you have a 5x7 hoop, you can make the bag and it's just smaller and a little bit more rectangular, but it's the same style. So these 2 bags for this month, and you get the files for both. However, you only get the materials to make one of the bags. So let me show you what type of materials you're going to get in your box this month. Of course, you're going to get these beautiful, stylish fabrics. Here we have this light blue for the lining. We have this, oh, this is gorgeous and beautiful. It's a cotton linen blend from Art Gallery. And from Wyndham Fabrics, we have this beautiful blue with little leaf pattern on the front. So those are our fabrics. You get 4 pieces of Kimberbell's project batting. And of course you need all the hardware to make your bag. So it's gonna come in a bag like this. It's wrapped in tissue paper to protect it. But what's in this little tissue paper package is 2 lobster clasps. You get 2 D-rings to hold everything together. See that? You get a ladder buckle, a white metal button, and a 14-inch zipper. So that's in your hardware kit. And then you also get the 70-inch kind of off-white creamy webbing for your strap. And it's plenty of length, so whatever size you want it, if you want it to hang a little bit longer or if you want it to be a little bit shorter, you can just cut that and make it whatever size that you want. So that's what is in your kit this month. So fun, you're gonna love it. This is just a stylish bag. You're gonna wear it and people are gonna be like, wow, where did you get that? And you can say, I made it. And the great thing is that the bag is made all in the hoop, and then you just add the webbing to it after. So makes it easy, simple. You're gonna love this project. All right, well, we have a giveaway. So let me show you what the giveaway is this month, and then I'll tell you how to enter. First of all, you're gonna get these duckbill scissors. You'll get a Kimberbell sewing machine needle minder. And because we always need batting, especially in this project, you're gonna get a full package of Kimberbell project batting. So that is the giveaway for February. In order to enter, because we've done Hoop Studio 2 years, I wanna hear what your favorite Hoop Studio project is. So write that in the comments, your favorite Hoop Studio project, and we'll announce the winner on Friday. So have a great day. Thank you for joining me, and go enjoy some well-deserved me time.